Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. Number one, because magta-taglish ako. Because today's video is a review of exotic, not really exotic, but different flavors of KitKat na I don't think is available here in the Philippines. So I have three. Itong tatlong to, pinabili ko siya sa friend ko na nagpunta sa Japan. So each pack costs around 300 pesos, more or less. So, I have lemon, strawberry, and I don't know what this is. I think it's some sort of a bean-flavored KitKat, but we will know later. Ayun. So, bubuksan natin siya isa-isa, tapos titignan natin siya. I actually also have some KitKats na available here sa Philippines na hindi ko pa natitikman. So, we have KitKat green tea. And itong KitKat na dark, natikman ko na siya. Pero nakalimutan ko yung lasa niya. So, we'll review this as well. Okay, so dun muna tayo sa familiar tayo. So, I have here KitKat dark. So, dark chocolate siya. I bought the 4 fingers na KitKat sa Select habang nag-aantay ako ng masasakyan. So, this is the 4-fingered pack. So, opening it like that. Malamang marami na magagalit sa way ng pag-open ko ng KitKat. Pasensya na po. So, ayan. Meron siyang 4 na fingers. And by looking at it lang, you'll see that it's darker than the regular milk chocolate KitKat. And, ayan. So, ganun din siya kalaki. And meron siya nakalagay na #mybreak. So, if you break it into, ganun pa rin. There are layers of wafer in between dark chocolate. So, mahilig kasi ako sa dark chocolate. So, as expected, gusto ko siya. May konting-konting pait. Pero, yun yung dahilan kung ba't hindi siya nakakaumay. I think I prefer this to the regular milk chocolate KitKat. So, that is KitKat Dark. So, itong KitKat na to, 58 pesos siya sa Select. Feeling ko mas mura siya sa supermarket. So, kung makakabili kayo siguro sa supermarket na lang kayo bumalik. Okay, moving on to the next KitKat. We have KitKat matcha or green tea pala, green tea. So, medyo gold siya. Tapos sa cover niya, nakalagay yung paggawa ng green tea, I guess. So, yun nakuha ko lang is 2 fingers. Sa Select ko din siya binili and it's 29 pesos sa Select. Again, if meron to sa supermarket, I think na mas mura siya. So, medyo nervous ako ng konti dito kasi hindi ako mahilig sa green tea. Pero, if it tastes like the McDo matcha ice cream, I think I will be fine. So, let's open it again. So, ayaw niyang mabuksan. Okay, nabali ko siya kagad guys. Sorry na. So, ayan. So, opening it, as I said, 2 fingers siya. Tapos, madinis ang kamay ko guys ha. Kita mo meron siyang speckles of green, which nahulog. Which I assume is the matcha, green tea flavoring. So, may nakalagay na KitKat. Ibababa ko yung isa. And then, breaking it off, you'll see the layers of wafer and white or matcha filling. So, medyo may dahon ng konti. Very, very light. Amoy niya yung McDo na matcha flavor. So, okay. So, ang problema ko sa green tea, sa tea flavored anything in general is that ayoko yung lasang dahon. So, medyo amoy at lasang dahon to, pero at the same time, lasa siyang white chocolate. Para siyang white chocolate na may hint ng tea flavoring. So, if you love matcha or green tea, I think you will love this. So, again, it's 29 pesos sa Select. So, feeling ko mas mura siya sa supermarket. Okay, moving on to our KitKats from Japan. So, dito tayo ulit sa medyo familiar ng konti, ang lemon flavor. So, according to the package, mini KitKats ang laman nito. So, feeling ko yung 11 na yan means there's 11 pieces. So, at the back, puro Chinese na sulat na hindi ko maintindihan. Made by Nestle. So, we will open it up and see how many we have. Okay. So, hindi siya kinaya ng kamay ko. So, gugupitin na natin siya. May lemon kagad. Pagbukas, may lemon kagad. So, meron siyang maliliit na KitKat. Meron siyang... Yep. Meron nga siyang 11. Wait, 11 nga ba? Yes. Meron siyang 11 pieces ng KitKat. Maliit siya kumpara dito sa 2-finger variant ng KitKat. So, may laman siya, guys. And, bubuksan na natin siya. Bigotik na nga pala. So, buksan natin. And then, bango. I like the scent of lemon, so gusto ko yung amoy niya. So, opening it gives us, yun na nga, maliit siya. Ito yung regular na KitKat. Ito siya. Pero magkasing kapal sila. Pero, mga 3, more than half yung nabawas sa length. So, white chocolate siya. Covered in white chocolate. So, baba natin itong isa. Naalala ko sa kanya yung Rebisco na cream yung flavor. Yung yellow yung palaman. So, let me know on the comment section below if you know what I'm talking about. Masarap siya. Kasi, may hint ng lemon. Hindi siya maasim. Hindi siya ganun katamis. I think it's because of the lemon. And medyo malinamnam yung milk chocolate niya. Actually, may nalasahan akong konting may part na maasim siya. Pero okay lang. Kasi may ligaw sa maasim. So, okay siya. It's a yes for me. Okay, so tabi na natin to. Medyo may ano siya talaga. May mga part siya na maasim. Pero hindi naman sobrang asim na parang sausawan. Or what? Or lemonade. Okay, let's move on to the strawberry variant. So, again, I think it's mini. Pero dito 12 siya. So, yung kanina 11 lang. Sabi dito mini 12. So, it's strawberry flavored. Then you have some writings at the back na Japanese na I don't really understand. But the cover shows that it is strawberry flavored. Not to be confused with the strawberry cheesecake flavor because I know that they have that. But I didn't get that. Okay, so let's pour in the contents. Amoy strawberry, guys. It smells like strawberry. So, ang cute ng packaging niya. Pink. Tapos may nakalagay siyang good job. So, kumpara natin siya dito sa lemon. Mas plain yung packaging ng strawberry. Dahil wala siyang nakadrawing na strawberry sa kanyang covering or sa kanyang packaging. Actually, itong orange pala, meron siyang space dito. I think it's for you to write something kung may pagbibigyan ka. So, maganda tong pamigay sa office. If you have employees, medyo burned out sila ng very, very light and you want them to have a break, I think this is a good giveaway. So, same with strawberry. Meron siyang nakalagay na good job. And then, there's a space for you to write a short message, I guess. So, galing. That's very nice. I like that part. So, let's go to the taste. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi feeling ko may asim din siya. But I don't really like strawberries. So, medyo weary ako sa part na yun. So, opening it shows us na it's melted. It has melted. It's the same size as the lemon KitKat, the mini KitKat, and there are speckles of red, which I assume is yung strawberry nga. Amoy strawberry, pero amoy na amoy mo yung asim ng strawberry. It's not like yung strawberry jam. So, it's white chocolate, then flavored with strawberry. Guys, naalala ko na naman yung release ko. Yung strawberry flavor ng release ko. So, meron siyang mga part na maasim siya. Feeling ko, yung mga buo-buo yun. Same with the lemon. Pero mas matamis siya ng konti kasi sa lemon. And, so, amoy na amoy mo yung artificial strawberry flavor that you expect. Oh my god, may maasim siyang part. That you'd expect on a strawberry flavored candy or chocolate bar. Hindi siya masyadong lasang milk chocolate or white chocolate. Pero I think if you like strawberry flavored stuff, you might like this. Yan. Okay. Tabi na natin siya. May maasim siya talaga. Na nalalasahan ko. Okay. So, let's move on to our last. And kung ninervous ako sa asim ng lemon and ng strawberry, mas ninervous ako dito kasi hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Actually, when I got this, ginamit ko yung sa phone ko, yung parang Google Translate thingy, then you put the text sa camera, tapos you'll see the translation. Kaya parang naalala ko na feeling ko bean paste siya. Looking at the packaging, there's a bear. There's 11 of them. Sorry, may ngayong aso ng kapitbahay. And then, dito ako medyo parang siyang burger, diba? Pero feeling ko hindi. Kasi, sana hindi. So, we'll find out. So, let's open it again. And then, yeah. Okay. So, okay. We have mini KitKats again. And we have, I think, 11 according to the package. So, let's see if we have 11. Right. Yep, we have 11. And it's as big as the strawberry and the lemon mini KitKats. It's so cute. May bear and may kung ano man siya dito. Kita siya dyan. And then at the back, same thing. There is a place for you to write a short message to whoever you'll give this KitKat to. Maganda rin itong pang baon kung bet ng mga kids nyo mga ganitong chocolate. Kasi malalagay nyo dyan na. Ayan, enjoy school and whatnot. Okay. Moment of truth. Whew. Okay. Buksan na natin siya. Amoy beans. Actually, hindi ko siya maintindihan. Amoy beans siya, pero hindi siya yung amoy matamis na beans. May something siya na earthy na tone sa amoy niya. Tapos, white lang siya. Tapos, nakalagay lang KitKat. Okay. Hindi ko na papatagalin. Titikman ko na siya. So, yung layers niya puti. Lasa siyang medyo may kamote na pinakulo. Parang amoy at lasang liam. Hindi strong yung odor niya. Wala rin siyang sobrang strong na flavor. Bagay ba siya sa chocolate? Hindi ko masabing bagay siya sa chocolate. This is the least of my favorite so far. Yung lasa niya, nasa filling at hindi sa covering ng chocolate. So, ayun. I probably won't buy this again, honestly. Medyo kakaiba siya. Pero if you like yams, if you like beans, siguro, this might be for you. Pero it's not for me. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. Please let me know in the comments section below if you like these types of videos, because I usually do something different, which is yung cooking lang and cooking videos na fast. But yun, just let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the comments and the feedback, and follow me on my social media, the Newbie Cooks sa Instagram, and then look for the Newbie Cook on Facebook. So thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video.